Hi guys, learning from Evision was my fantastic experience for me, and I am Puneet Mudgal from Bina, Madhya Pradesh, and I joined Evision 60 days ago, and there is a many more mentors for each and every subject, and they have very vast knowledge, and they give a very practical knowledge to us in a very deep way, and they make very easy for understanding of our subject of our practical sessions also there, and I got selected within 60 days in NTT Data software company, one of MNC company, as a 3 LPA package. So I think I have a best uh, decision for me when I got a call from eVision for joining a job internship program. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.